up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Incy Wincy Spider spun a web so high, catching little raindrops falling from the sky. Drip, drop, splash, the rain began to pour. But Incy Wincy Spider tried to climb once more. The wind came blowing, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Incy held on tight, he was brave and strong too. He shook off the water and gave a little cheer. Then up the spout he climbed, no more fear. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Rain or shine, he never had a doubt. With a little patience and a happy song, Incy Wincy Spider kept climbing all along.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.